going on, mi gente? We're in the boiler room. I know everybody's like, yo, this is small, it's a closet. But yes, it's actually a boiler room. It's an apartment building here in Upper Manhattan. And of course, my phone is ringing. But anyway, guys, we had to shut off the water main for the building because we have to put some valves before the valves are located up here on top. And we had to, we're going to put the boiler on the wall. So in order to do that, we have to cut some of this piping, and we decided to put the valve on the bottom. There's nothing here, so we have to put some valves. So now they got a shut-off valve for the hot water supply and the cold water supply, which is right behind me. So in the future, if we have to do anything, we don't have to shut down. We don't have to shut down the building. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's the vent on the left side. That's the fresh air coming to the right side. That's the gas pipe or gas supply coming on the left. And over here you have the return, your supply, and you got your cool water and your hot water feed right here. And your outlet right here, which is your power. We're gonna bring this power over here so they have an on and off switch on the right hand side with an outlet. So in case there's ever an emergency, you can shut it off right inside the boiler room. Alright guys, we just finished mounting the boiler on the wall. So right now we're just doing the installation of the piping. So as you guys can see, this is the manifold. This is your primary loop. This is your secondary loop. And this is your purge for your to clean out the coil. And this is for your domestic water.
Que ya está listo.
Whenever you guys are installing a Navien boiler, it is good practice because it's very important to install a magnetic filter. It looks something like this. Call this from Navien. And I'm gonna open the box. It looks something like that. Let me show you how it looks. I have a little trouble. Alright. So guys, it's very important, especially when you put in these wall hung boilers. It looks something like this. It's actually a magnetic filter. Here we go, it looks something like this. So all this, right now we're using Pro Press, but especially the old piping, you have old scale up, you have old build up, so it collects inside here, and you don't want that into the boiler because it's gonna ruin the boiler. So this is very important, you install this on the return side of the boiler. So guys, again, stick with Navien or any other magnetic filter. Best practice. officially a wrap. It's been a long, hot day. You guys can see it's done. We just finished installing the Navien clean. We finished installing also the piping for the supply and return line for the heating supply, or the heating zone I should say. And also there's a cold water feed for the domestic water, and also for the feed for the boiler. So it's pretty much done. The electrical is done already. So guys, it's been a long day. This is what it takes to install a Navien boiler. This is what it takes to install a boiler, period. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the bell button, like us, DM us, leave us a message. We'd love to hear from you. With that being said, love to hear from you guys. Louis the Boilerman. Ooh-wee! Whip-a!